smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt to fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of the buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seats. Remove sharp objects from your body. To dive, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist. And push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inwards to release air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate life vests inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. While on the other hand, in case of emergency exit, follow the lights that will lead you to these exits during evacuation. To notice where these exit doors are, take a look around you. The nearest exit may be behind you. For further information, kindly refer to the passenger briefing cards found in your seat pockets. Now that you are already relaxed and fully comfortable, on behalf of Pasayahan Airlines, we wish you a pleasant flight. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Bini Bini number 9, Jason Nicole Estoya.